Greetings, interweb. It's been a while since I've seen you guys. How are you all doing? Oh, man, you know what I did? I have forgotten my phone at home. I'm gonna have to turn around. Bloody hell. So, I used to be early. Let it be known that this is the spot where, in the not so distant history, I was on time for work. But due to my lack of concentration, I am now late. Imagine we all decided to discard the traffic laws that were put in place after centuries of trial and error, dating back to when the Ford truckers were drag racing their ox wagons. We would descend into anarchy, return to the dark ages, every man for himself. Oh, woe is me, it is unthinkable, the tyranny and despair that would ensue. These taxis just have their own set of rules. I wonder if that's what they get taught in taxi school. Yes, driving on the wrong side of the road is perfectly fine if you're in a hurry. It's not like you have to take into account the lives of your passengers or other users. Bloody idiots. Why should we obey the rule? Nobody else cares. In fact, I'm keeping this red light. But I don't feel that bad, because in America this would be perfectly legal. But only you'll be on the opposite side of the road. Because there it's fine, just skip a red light. Oh, it is green. I'm gonna try and balance without putting my foot down. Now this is a lot easier if you're moving forward, so I would appreciate if you move a little bit more forward. I'm gonna make it yes, I'm one. Okay, I felt like a battalier. A battalier, you say? What is a battalier? This is the French word. Battalier is a word for a tightrope walker. It is also the name of an eagle. In South Africa, the battalier eagle, so named because of what it looks like when it flies. So when it flies, it like kind of rocks from side to side, just like a tightrope walker with a stick, trying to balance, not fall. And the reason they do this is because they've got short tails, and the reason they have short tails is because they don't live in woodland areas. They're more in open areas where they fly around and catch their prey. And if you want me to explain that more, just maybe we should go on a game drive. I wonder if they allow game drives, or which game parks allow motorbikes to go on game parks. I'm sure not any with lions walking around. Anyway, that was my non-biker related fact for the day, and I am reaching the end of my ride, so I am going to say goodbye here. So if you guys did like the nonsense I talk, press the like button and please do subscribe if you want to see more of this, and share it with all your friends. That would be fantastic.